Remove your skimmer basket without reaching into the water and muck. Stays on basket so it's always there when you need it. The handle sits above the waterline and below your skimmer lid. Installs in minutes using 2 provided screws. Highlights: remove your skimmer basket without reaching into the water. Muck stays on basket so it's always there when you need it. The handle sits above the waterline below your skimmer lid. Installs in min using 2 provided screws. Top reviews from the United States. So glad I found this. We were using a homemade hook to reach in and grab the basket. Age, wear and tear took its toll and we had to start retrieving by hand. Yuck. Not anymore. It took seconds to install in our existing basket. I was a little worried it wouldn't install correctly as our basket has a plastic cross piece which interfered with installing this dead center, but it didn't matter. The handle feels sturdy and sits a good height above the waterline yet not interfering with the skimmer cover. Extremely pleased so far and highly recommend this gadget.